Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This will be the first video that I am making for my channel. I am from Malaysia. I am a Malaysian dividend investor, but I also invest in the US stocks also. So I invest in both Malaysian stocks and US stocks. I mean, I've seen very little people like make videos on investing in Malaysia, so I was like, you know what? Why not? I can try it. I've seen a lot of people make videos of their portfolios and stuff, so it seems kind of cool. So I was thinking I should make some myself. So yeah, this will be my first video. So I hope you enjoy it. So let's get right into it. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all my holdings from Malaysian stocks to US stocks and how much I've invested, what's my total returns, and how long I've been investing. I'll start with my Malaysian stock holdings. So I'll go from my smallest holding to my biggest holdings. So starting with my smallest holding, it's called Bauto Bermas Auto Berhad, and its current share price is 2.54 ringgit. I have 500 shares of this company at an average cost of 2.41 ringgit. And as for my second smallest holding, it's RHB Bank, which is currently priced at 5 ringgit and 51 cents. I have 400 shares of this company and my average cost per share is 5.69 ringgit. And for the third smallest holding I have, it would be MBM Resources Berhad, which is currently priced at 5.28 ringgit. I have 600 shares of this company at an average cost per share at 3.82 ringgit. So I'm actually up a lot on this one. And my fourth smallest holding is Hong Leong Industries Berhad, which is currently priced at 11.26 ringgit. I have 300 shares of this company at an average cost per share of 10.21 ringgit. Now on to the fifth smallest holding, that would be UOA REITs, which is UOA Real Estate Investment Trust, which is currently priced at 1.12 ringgit. Now the share amount is getting up there because with this company, I have 5,700 shares of it with an average cost per share at 1.13 ringgit. All right, and now it's time for the big hitters in my portfolio. Now this will be my fourth biggest company, which is Gas Malaysia Berhad, which is currently priced at 3.63 ringgit. And I own 1,900 shares of this company with an average cost per share at 3.29 ringgit. And now it's finally time for the top three. The third biggest holding in my portfolio is EcoWorld Development Group Berhad, or in short, EcoWorld, which is currently priced at 1.55 ringgit. EcoWorld has been one of the best performers in my portfolio, and I have 5,000 shares of it at an average cost per share at 0.93 cents or 0.93 ringgit. And now for the second biggest holding in my portfolio is Enterprise Plantations Berhad, which is currently priced at 1.43 ringgit. This company is one of the high dividend yield companies in my portfolio, so I wouldn't expect much growth from it, but it has been growing quite well, honestly. And I have around 5,500 shares of this company at an average cost of 1.35 ringgit. And last but not least, my biggest holding in my portfolio is Malayan Banking Berhad, or for short, Maybank, which is currently priced at 9.99 ringgit per share. Maybank is around 30 to 40% of my portfolio, which is a little too much, which is why I stopped buying Maybank for a while. But Maybank, I have around 1,900 shares of Maybank at an average cost per share at 9.45 ringgit. I started investing in Malaysian stocks at mid-May of 2023, so it's been a full year and a month or 2 months since it's July now. So I've started in mid-May 2023 and I've spent or not spent actually, contributed my own money of 48,900 ringgit, or 10,400 in US dollars. And for the past year and a half of reinvesting my dividends and the market returns, my portfolio has grown to around 57,897 ringgit in portfolio value. And that's around 12,318 US dollars. So in 1.5 years, I've gotten about an 18.4% total returns with my dividends and share price increases, everything total up to 18.4% for 1.5 years of investing, which is insane if you ask me. And now that we've gone through every single one of my Malaysian stock holdings, I'm going to show you my dividends that I've received throughout the months since mid-May of 2023. So for May of 2023, I've only received 6.6 ringgit, and June I received 115.86 ringgit, and July 48 ringgit. In August, I received 110.49 ringgit, and in September, I received my biggest dividend in the year alone of 487.5 ringgit. And October, I've got 195.2 ringgit, and on November, which is a measly 3.3 ringgit, and on December, I received 215 ringgit. And now let's move on to my dividends received in the year of 2024. So in January, I've received 100 ringgit, and in February, I received 198.02 ringgit. And on March, which is the biggest or highest amount of dividend I've gotten in the year, which is 770 ringgit. And in April, I received 226.3 ringgit. In May, I received 121.25 ringgit. And in June, which is last month, I received 488.53 ringgit. And on this chart, you can see my dividends for the year, and in not monthly, but for the year. And in 2023, I've received a total of 1,181.95 ringgit. And in 2024, which is basically until the end of June, I have received 1,904.1 ringgit. So I'm halfway through the year and I'm already beaten my 2023 dividends. So this is getting pretty exciting, and I can't wait to see what I will receive in 2025. Now that should be it for my Malaysian stocks portfolio. So I think I should move on to the US stocks now. I only recently started buying US stocks at like the 21st of June, which is literally like a week and a half ago. So I don't really have a lot of positions right now, but I feel like I still should just add it into the video. So the first stock I have is SHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, and its current price is $77.45. I have one share of this ETF at an average cost of $78.15, so I'm down on this position. And for the next stock that I own, it's Realty Income, which is priced at $52.43. I currently own one share of this company at an average cost of $52.33. And for the next stock in my portfolio would be Main Street Capital, or just for short, Main, which is currently priced at $51.40. I currently have one share of Main Street Capital at a average cost per share at $49.83. So I'm actually up quite a bit on this one. And for the final stock in my US portfolio would be Ares Capital Corporation, or ARCC, which is currently priced at $20.88. I currently have two shares of this company at an average price per share of $20.70. And that is all the companies that I own in my US portfolio. So let's go to my contributions now. So in total, I've contributed 1,100 ringgit, which is around $234. And my current portfolio value is around 1,048 ringgit, or around $223. And my current portfolio's total return is around negative 4.7%. Even though my average cost is lower than the share price right now, it's because of those commissions and tax when I buy the stocks. So yeah, well, it's no problem. 4.7% is not that much. It'll go up anyway. And that should be done for this video. I haven't received any dividends from my US stocks yet, but once I do, I'll start making videos on it. So I hope you guys like and enjoyed my portfolio video or update. I mean, it's not really an update since it's my first video, but I think I will be making future updates on my portfolio. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, please do leave a like and subscribe so you can watch more in the future.